Hi guys, we are at Armstrong Garden Centers today. I'm hunting for some pots, but obviously if you go to a garden center, you have to look at the houseplants. So starting out, we're in the Hoya section here, and I spy with my little eye a Hoya Crimson Princess. This one is $19.99. And right next to it is a Hoya Krinkle 8. Also apparently known as a Hoya ripple. So I wasn't aware of that, and then I read the label and I was like, oh, okay, I guess it's a ripple. And we also have a gorgeous Hoya obovata for $24.99. I remember when these were very uncommon to find and they were much more expensive. There's some australises for $16.99 and a Hoya carnosa for $24.99. It's a pretty big mama, very long. And there's a Hoya pubicalyx for $16.99 and a Hoya australis Lisa, which I think is just a variegated one, $24.99. I wonder why it's called a Lisa and not just a variegated Hoya australis. Anyways, this Peperomia caperata is $19.99 and it comes in different colors. And there was also a Frost, which for some reason was cheaper at $16.99. There were ZZ plants for $20 and a bunch of Marantas. The red ones were $17, and you know what? The rabbit track ones were $17 too. Also, do you guys also call this Maranta rabbit track Maranta? Because I feel like green Maranta, you can think of the regular green Maranta, but that one is lemon lime Maranta. Wow, this whole time I could have been calling it just a green Maranta. But getting back on topic, there were so many Syngoniums, and there were these two different colors of hanging 6-inch. There was just so many. And also this really big Enjoy Pothos. I remember thinking it was huge. It doesn't look huge on camera, but it was pretty big in real life. And these $35 Ficus audreys. They're just little bibis, but they're still really cute and a lot cheaper than a bigger tree. And a bunch of rubber trees. This Tineke one was $42. Moving into this area, there are a bunch of snake plants. There's a bunch of different kinds. And here were some Scheffleras, $35. They're pretty tall. And some Monstera deliciosas for $50. They had a wooden stake on them and really shiny leaves. Yeah, there's these beautiful orchids. These ones are $32.99. They're the ones that look like little fairies. I'm not really a fan of these, honestly, but there's also this, which is a Dendrobium Orchid. Dendrobium. This one I think is really pretty because of the cane. I don't really have any orchids like it. And it says it's on clearance. Both of them are on clearance. This one's, so 50% of $44.99. It's like $25 for this. Oh my gosh, I might have to get it. It's just plain little white flowers, but I like the cane. I like how tall it is. So that means these are kind of cheaper too. But I don't want one of these. I'm probably gonna end up getting this orchid. There's a bunch more Syngoniums here for $6.99. Different colors, variations. This plant, which is I don't remember, but it's here. Angulata. Doesn't have the price though. Some stromanthes, mini watermelons. These are $14.99. Some wax ivy for $14.99. Their leaves feel like peperomias, so it's really weird. Whoa, look at the leaves on this. How did this come to be? It doesn't have the price on it. Partly philodendron. $8.99 for an Argyrius bib. And this size is the perfect size of Hoya. It looks like it's gonna be overwatered soon though. I don't know how much it is, so it might not be the perfect size if it's too expensive. Oh no, that's for the poinsettias. Ugh. Okay, and then I saw this little baby, and this is the most variegated. It's like a white plant. 2-inch African violet. I have no idea how much it is, but that is adorable. I wonder if they get like much bigger or if they stay tiny, because they have flowers. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're big enough to have flowers, so are they gonna get any bigger? And we got a bunch of decursivas for $20. Look at this little adansonii. A lot of these don't have their prices. Ooh, look at this. Not this one. This one's not good. It's $19.99. It's kind of a lot, but it's a real plant, so this one's a good one. I'm gonna try and fix this, what I've messed up. This one has roots. This one's $14.99. It's a variegated Hoya kerrii. So this one is like an actual plant. A Hoya kerrii plant. I've never been a fan of Hoya kerrii, but that's cool that the variegated one is there. If I was into Hoya kerrii, I would get that. I don't think I've ever seen such a huge variegated one. Maybe I have. My memory is literal crap. And we just got some more little plants. Staghorn ferns. No idea how much they are. Oh, $8.99. Cute. Here we're at the lipstick section. $12.99 for this one, the Black Pagoda, and then $6.99 for Kerrii. It looks a little weird. I don't know why. And then there's also a Goldfish Plant, $7.99, and a regular lipstick plant for $7.99 as well. And here are the Aglaonemas for $34.99, and the Pothos. There's also these hanging philodendrons for $16.99 for these 6-inch babies. Oh, and a Brazil. And there's some more plants over here. Ooh, what is this? Dragon's Tooth, $60. Jeez, that is wild. $19.99 for a good raft. $19.99. Oh, this is the same plant. $19.99 for an adansonii. And the Birkins are very white. And they're $24.99. That's everything. So I might purchase some pots. Okay, here's the pot section. I'm not seeing any that I like here. This one is missing the inner pot. I wonder where it went. I want one for, specifically was like, okay, I need to think of the plants that need to be potted up before I go crazy buying pots. Oh, this pot's kind of cute. For a, yes, I like this. A caudex plant, that's what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to put it in my pocket and I hope nobody thinks I'm stealing. Let's see, these are cute. Don't like the bottom stuck. Look how cute this one is. I'm thinking of getting another self-watering pot for my African violet. I don't know if I should do that. I think not for now. I think I just am gonna get that one pot. I'm not really a fan of red. Oh, this is the pot I have. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna get that one and the orchid. I didn't even notice these, well I did, these string of hearts. I don't know if I filmed them though. They're $24.99. And there's also these. Curtisii, 17. $34.99 for the string of turtles. Okay, to the orchids now. This one, this is the one that is in the clearance that I'm about to buy. But I don't think this one's on clearance. I like these flowers much more. But I like the price of the other one much more. That's all for the tour. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!